Welcome to Tools Met, your trusted source for powerful tools and smart woodworking solutions. Today, we're taking a closer look at one of the most essential machines in any woodworking workshop, the table saw machine. A table saw is designed for fast, accurate, and straight cutting of wood. It is widely used by professional carpenters, furniture makers, and workshop owners. At the heart of the machine is a high-speed circular saw blade mounted on a flat table surface, allowing precise control during cutting. This machine is perfect for rip cuts, cross cuts, and even angle cuts when used with a miter gauge or fence system. Whether you are cutting plywood, hardwood, softwood, or MDF boards, a table saw delivers clean and consistent results. One of the biggest advantages of a table saw is its accuracy. The adjustable fence helps guide the wood smoothly, while the powerful motor ensures stable performance even during heavy-duty cutting jobs. Safety is extremely important when using a table saw. Always wear safety goggles, keep your hands at a safe distance, and use push sticks when cutting narrow pieces. Make sure the blade guard is properly installed and never operate the machine without proper focus. Modern table saw machines come with features like height adjustment, blade tilt for bevel cuts, and dust collection ports to keep the workspace clean. In summary, the table saw is a must-have woodworking machine for anyone looking for speed, precision, and professional quality results. Thanks for watching Tools Met. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tool reviews and woodworking guides. Another important benefit of a table saw machine is its versatility. With the right blade and proper setup, you can easily handle different cutting tasks, from thin boards to thick wooden panels. The strong and stable table surface helps reduce vibration, which improves cutting accuracy and overall safety.